YouTube, what's good, man? It's your boy Joshua Poplar, and I'm just here with a quick little tutorial on how to clean your Air Force Ones. Here's some customs that I made a little while back for my little sister, maybe about 6 months ago. And you know, these been through a couple semesters, so they just got a little busted, you know what I'm saying? So we just gonna touch them up by cleaning them, and then there's some blemishes, as you can see, some black marks on the midsole that I'm gonna touch up with this little champagne paint I just mixed up. And she also wanted me to throw some rope laces on them, so just a little cleanup session, and just a little touch-up session. So I just wanted to, you know, let y'all see it, let y'all in on a little treat. Just kind of see some of the process, because this is something I've just been working on the low for a little minute. So I at least wanted to share the knowledge that I've learned in this time to, you know, the masses. Because this is something you can do at your crib, as you can see, right at the crib with, at home. You feel me? So yeah, we're gonna dive into it. Let's just get to it. I got my Rejuvenator kit that comes with all the cleaning essentials. As you can see, we got the shoe trees on the inside. Just to kind of hold the form and shape of the shoe while it's getting wet and we're cleaning it. So first, we're gonna hit the uppers with a soft brush just to get, you know, just to surface stains out. And then we'll eventually move to the medium, just to hit the midsole and get the deep stains on the uppers. And then after that, then we'll go ahead and move with the stiff brush to get the bottom of the kicks. So stay tuned, just vibe out, man. I appreciate you pulling up, man. Let's get into it. First one down. Brush. Last part, the outsoles. Still pressure. you have it, man. We got some blemishes we're gonna touch up right here, like these little dark spots on the midsole, kind of on the outsole as well. So we're gonna clean these up. You can see these starting to shine a little bit. You feel me? Whole lot of that, man. Whole lot of that. That's all I can say. But stay tuned, man. We finna keep going with this, touching out these little blemishes right here, and then we're gonna throw in the rope laces when we're done. So we're gonna see what the final product looks like. Now we got these bad boys cleaned up. As you can see, got a nice little wash on the uppers, midsole looking right. I went ahead and did the touch-ups off camera. It just was a tedious process, took longer than I thought. But as you can see, we had like black marks. I used bricks to hold down the shoes, which was an L on my part. The water got too hot and it actually made the brick start bleeding into the shoes. So that's why I had them little gray marks on the side of the midsole and whatnot. But I hit it with this champagne mixture, you know what I'm saying? Try to match the outsoles as close as I could, which, I feel like turned out pretty well. Y'all let me know what y'all think. You know what I'm saying? Along nice and left along the bottoms, but as far as the size of the midsoles, I feel like they turned out pretty good. So now we got these bad boys all cleaned up. We about to throw these on there. I went ahead and coffee dyed these as well to kind of match the midsole, just to kind of complete the full aesthetic. Kind of similar to these right here. Also two-tone dip these with the little cotton blue, you feel me, on top and on the bottom. So that's kind of like the same goal we're trying to achieve with these. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to drilling. We're gonna get right into it. List of materials that you'll probably need. Of course, you need a drill. I copped these drill bits off Amazon. I can go ahead and put the link in the bio if y'all really want me to. But it's more like sphere cone drill bits, just so you can get that perfect hole size, depending on the size you get for the yarn strings. But the rope laces. But basically, I went with a smaller size than the ones I just showed y'all, just to kind of try to see if there's a big difference. I went with a 4.5 millimeter rope laces for these and dyed them in coffee like I said before. So now I'm gonna just take out the shoe trees and get to work. And when you're doing rope laces, I'll go ahead and say when you're drilling it, you want to go ahead and tuck the tongue in so you don't accidentally slip up and charge the tongue or anything like that. So we're going to tuck these all the way in. All the way in. And don't worry about creasing your tongue too bad. You can bring it back to life. So now we got first one tucked like so. This next one. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Got these tucked. And for me, I went ahead and taped off 5/16 for the drill bit, just so this is kind of like my barrier or guideline as to when I don't want to go too far into the hole. So I'm just going to do a test one to see if this is the right size. First one, nice and clean. I feel like this is the right size. It's gonna hit. Yeah, this is a different one. Yeah. So since we got the tested, the right size, the 5/16, the right size for the 4.5 millimeter rope string. So I'm just go ahead and do that all the way down and just get it right. Hey, you definitely gonna want to vacuum and let y'all know it gets a little messy for real. So nice little clean hose. I've seen people use like hole punchers and stuff to get the job done. I mean, it's really your preference, but I feel like this would really be the best method for me. So that's why I stick with the drill. How they turned out. Yo, nice and clean, smooth hose. You feel me? So let's go ahead and lace these bad boys up. Ooh! Yeah, you see, that's what you don't do. Self-sabotaging? I hope not. Jeez. Yeah, we straight. Definitely get a vacuum, bro, because you're gonna get the little cloth bits all up in your eyes just like I did. Not the move. But let me go ahead and get these bad boys laced up. Tongue out. Tongue unharmed. Nice and flush. Yes, sir. That's what we wanted. Let me know what y'all think. And they'll poof out over time. So after you finish up one side, like we did with the right shoe, you obviously want to follow up and do the same to the other side, following the same process. Just making sure you have all the materials and the right essentials. Just follow that guideline to each hole, and then just lace them up. So as you can see, we got the finished product right here. Got these bad boys cleaned up, threw the skinny rope laces in there. Give y'all a better visualization. Zoom in right there. Yes, Lord. Yeah, a whole lot of that. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all like the skinny and rope laces better? Or y'all like the thick, chunky, dunky boys? You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I'm kind of torn. Like, I rock with the thick boys, but I also like the slim classic look. You hear me? So, I appreciate y'all pulling up and tuning in to the video. This is my first video, so many more to come. just giving y'all a little insight to my world and what I like to do, and just creating shoes for others and just spreading that love and that message, that everybody is created to be a masterpiece. You know, it's in scripture that you have a purpose, you are loved, and you are special, man. I just want to do my part reminding everybody of that, because that's what we're all created for. You know, you were created for the time and space and family that you were born into for a reason. So you just have to keep walking on your journey to figure that out. Don't let the societal pressures or what the world tells you where you should be or not, you know, go to the beat of your own drum, follow your own lane and stay in your place, and, you know, continue to shine your light. So with that being said, Holy Gang, I love you, man. I appreciate y'all pulling up, and come shop with the kid, man. That's a wrap.